How to find nearby girl in Telegram. So if you want to find a nearby girl or a boy in Telegram, then what you can do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, now you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now here you will have an option of nearby people. After tapping on the option people nearby or nearby people, you will have 2 options. One is make myself visible and the other one is create a local group. So you need to tap on make myself visible. Once you tap on it, then it will load for a few seconds or a few minutes, and it will give you a listings of all of the people that are nearby you. Those are the people that are using Telegram from your locality. But if the option is not available, then you can just simply go with your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the application and you will get the option. But in my case, in my country or in my region, I don't have that option. But if you have the option of nearby people, then you'll be able to find your nearby people on your Telegram. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.